Maua and Pahua Tairo. Mussels and clams. A main dish from French Polynesia. You will need
Serves
5 ingredients. Step 1. The snail of the snail may be extracted from the shell either by breaking the shells with a hammer or by boiling them for a few minutes, if you wish to keep the shells intact. Step 2. Wash the snails and remove the pocket of black matter. In the case of the clam, the muscle adhering to the shell should be severed, the animal extracted from the shell, and the black matter removed. Step 3. Soak in fresh water for a few hours. Mix with the juice of grated coconuts, seawater and shrimp, then add the chopped onions and garlic plus seasoning. Step 4. Serve at room temperature. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.